Welcome to Copilot Agents 101. In this module, you'll learn what Copilot agents are, how they differ from Copilot, and how they can be used safely and effectively across the enterprise. AI systems amplify decisions and actions. Getting safety right protects people, data, and trust. This training focuses on understanding possibilities before rushing into implementation. Data and AI, privacy, and IT security teams are aligned to ensure ethical, secure, and compliant use of Copilot agents. So, what exactly is a Copilot agent? A Copilot agent is an AI-powered assistant designed to run a specific task or workflow. Unlike general Copilot prompts, agents are built with a clear purpose in mind. They can be trained on your organization's way of working using your data, processes, and rules. An easy way to think about it is this. Copilot is your helper when you ask questions. An agent is more like a coworker, focused on a job and able to operate independently to get it done. Let's quickly contrast Copilot and agents. Copilot works when you ask it something. You review, refine, and decide what to do next. It's great for drafting, summarizing, and getting information. Agents are different. They run a defined workflow. Agents can take approved actions using connected tools and data. That makes them ideal for repeatable, process-driven work. Agents vary in complexity and capability. Retrieval agents focus on finding, rationalizing, and summarizing information. Task agents take actions and automate workflows. Autonomous agents operate independently and dynamically plan their actions. The right agent depends on the problem you are solving. This is an example of a retrieval agent. A retrieval agent is triggered when a user asks a question. It follows instructions defined by the maker. The agent looks at approved company data, like policies or documents. It then reasons over that information and generates a clear answer. In this case, the agent retrieves PTO policy details and responds based on the user's situation. This example shows a task-based agent. The trigger comes from a message. The agent answers HR questions and performs tasks like checking vacation balances. It uses organizational data and systems to complete actions, not just provide answers. Autonomous agents handle variability and complexity at scale. They begin work based on autonomous triggers, not just user prompts. They automate long-running processes and dynamically reason at runtime. These agents follow human-defined guardrails and can ask for help when needed. Humans monitor performance and continuously improve agent behavior. In this example, an autonomous agent evaluates incoming engagement requests. It analyzes emails, verifies details, identifies required expertise, and assigns resources. The agent logs information, sends notifications, and supports end-to-end execution. This demonstrates how agents can operate across systems and processes. Not every scenario requires the same tooling. Choosing the right tool depends on who is building the agent and how complex the need is. Now, let's look at agent tooling. Microsoft provides both no-code and low-code options. For end users, Agent Builder allows simple no-code agents. For makers, Copilot Studio offers more advanced capabilities. Both options support building agents. The right choice depends on complexity and control needed. Agent Builder allows end users to create agents directly in Copilot Chat and SharePoint. Users can build simple agents using natural language. Templates can be customized and shared across the organization. Advanced capabilities can be added later using Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is a low-code tool for building and extending agents. It provides an end-to-end lifecycle for designing, managing, and improving agents. Copilot Studio connects to Microsoft 365 data, automates workflows, and integrates with external systems. Agents follow a lifecycle. First, plan the purpose and goals. Then design topics and flows. Test behavior and logic. Publish to users. And continuously monitor and improve using analytics. Start small, with one agent per process. Pilot with a focused use case. Document logic and permissions clearly. And continuously analyze usage data to refine behavior over time. This concludes Copilot Agents 101. You now have a foundational understanding of agents, tooling options, and best practices. Continue exploring responsibly as agents evolve.